Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Bumble account. First of all, you need to download Bumble application from your App Store or Play Store. After that, simply tap and open the application and you will see an interface like this. If you want to create an account using your Apple ID, click on Continue with Apple button. Otherwise, you can also sign up with Facebook or one cell phone number. I'm going to use my Apple ID here. Now click on Continue button. After the verification, you will be signed in to your account. You can also set the location services from here. Click on Set Location Service and allow while using application. You can enable or disable notifications from here. Now type in your information on this field. Now type in your first name on this field here. Now you need to type the month of your birthday in this field and date here. After that, click on the little arrow at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on Confirm button. Now select the gender here and continue here. You can show your gender in the profile by toggling this button. Now select that what brings you to Bumble. If you want to make a date, simply select the first option, or you want to make friends, a community, you can select the second option here. Now you can add photos here. You need to add at least 4 photos. Now click on the arrow which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can add a first photo from here. After adding the photo, you can see that you have been signed in to your Bumble account. So that is how you can create a Bumble account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.